Did you see the memo about this?
Yeah, I have the memo right here.
The Memo is your regular AI intelligence briefing, giving you the same LifeArchitect.ai analysis used by the G7, the Council of Europe, Brookings, the US government, Microsoft, Apple, MIT, and thousands of subscribers in more than 147 countries.
Yeah. Did you get that memo?
Yeah, I got the memo.
A bestseller, The Memo is emailed to you with AI that matters, as it happens, in plain English, with independent reports and my keynote recordings on the latest AI developments.
Yeah. Didn't you get that memo?
LifeArchitect.ai/memo.
I have the memo.